Hello to the technical team of Chris, Indian Railways. So we did some modification on the demo of our KPM 300 printer. So first of all, we have a new paper stock where you can see there is a pre-printed watermark. You have it available in all the tickets. The peculiarity of this watermark is that has been pre-printed by the paper manufacturer in two colors, which are at the human side visible as melted together. It's a kind of red or orange color, but in reality the printout has been done mixing different dots, red and black. So if somebody is trying to copy this watermark using a copy machine or scanner, they will get the final result, which is the orange or reddish type of color, and the copied watermark will not be recognized and validated by the printer, causing an immediate stop of the printer. So the specific scanner called VeriPrint on the printer is capable of validating this watermark and making sure that the printer is using the original paper approved by the Indian Railways. Furthermore, we have added a 2D barcode, a pre-printed barcode, which is sequential. We also decided to use a 1D barcode because, according to the final commercial decision, you know that the printer can handle through the barcode scanner a 1D barcode. Of course, this solution is less expensive, but also 2D barcode. As said before, the barcodes are sequential. What we are going to do in the demo of today will be to print a ticket where the first action of the printer will be to find out if there is a barcode and if the barcode is sequential. Second action of the printer, if the first action is approved, so if the barcode is present and if the sequence is consistent, so is correct, will be to print a ticket where it will be printed watermark in 8 different positions. If you remember from the other video, the position possible were 4. We said that it's possible to print theoretically in 1,000 positions. In this case, we have added 8 positions, so we are going to check if that watermark, I give you an example right now, if the watermark is present in one of these 8 positions. The ticket defines itself in a random way where the watermark will be printed, and it checks also if the other positions are empty. In this case, if somebody is trying to manipulate the ticket, maybe putting a black line here, will not be validated by the printer because, as I said, there is randomic position of the printed watermark and empty position of the other space or slot. Okay. If this control is successful, we are going to print the ticket and validate the ticket. In case the watermark, the pre-printed one and the printed one are not present, the printer will stop immediately and the ticket will be void, so nobody can reuse that ticket. Of course, we can also set the printer to send an alarm, call for a supervisor. Okay, so I'm going to print now a ticket, and in this demo you will see that everything will go fine because we are using the original paper. So this paper is equipped with the approved watermark. There is it's printed watermark in a position that is good. So this paper is thermal. Nobody has put on the top another type of paper, and there is consistency in the 2D barcode, meaning that has been validated. Okay, you can see from the video that everything passed. The printed mark check is passed. The pre-printed watermark has been passed. Everything went fine. Okay, and you have also here an image of the real ticket as it has been captured by the VeriPrint scanner. Okay. Okay, in this part of the demo we are going to show you that if the printer is not verifying that there is a sequential of the barcode, it will automatically stop. So I'm going to change the paper we used for the previous ticket, and I'm going to load another paper where the barcode number is not sequential. So we launch the printout, and the first action that will be done by the printer is to verify if the barcode is sequential. In this case, which is not sequential, the printer immediately sent an error message on the application and voided the ticket because some manipulation occurred, and this ticket has been cancelled from the system, so nobody can reuse it. What we are going to do now is to show that the same thing will happen in case of paper stock where there is no barcode present. So you see, in this case there was the 2D barcode present. In the new part of the demo we are going to use paper without black mark, without barcode. As I said before, when we launch a new printout, immediately the printer recognizes that there is no barcode and void the ticket. No barcode was here, ticket void. So if somebody tried to manipulate again the printing process, the printer has discovered it and blocked. Of course, now the printer is blocked. In this situation, a supervisor has been need to be called. This part of the demo we are going to show you that if somebody is trying to manipulate the printout process using a pre-printed ticket, imagine that somebody has understood that the printer is looking for certain position, a randomic position of the pre-printed barcode, the printer will stop because the printer knows exactly where the watermark will be printed. In this case you find the pre-printed watermark, and these tickets are sequential as barcode, so the barcode verification process will be passed, but what will not be passed is the watermark presence. So I load the paper, we launch a printout, and immediately the printer will discover that this barcode is not present. It gives an error and it prints void. This ticket has been voided because the printer understood that the watermark was present also in position not wished by the printer itself. Nobody can interfere with this process. This part of the demo we are going to show you that if somebody is using ticket with a sequential 2D barcode but no watermark is pre-printed, then the printer will stop and will void the ticket. So I will load the ticket into the printer. You see that the loading is very easy to do. We launch a printout. no watermark is found. In the scan, the ticket is void because no watermark has been found. Okay, you see also that in the scan ticket the printer has not recognized as any watermark. Of course, what you can see is that the stock control has been passed, the printed watermark control has been passed, but what is missing is the preprinter watermark check. The printer has not found any watermark in the wished position, and so it has not validated the printing process. The ticket has been void.